Hey folks, welcome back to O'Connell Woodworks. I know I did a video just yesterday now showing you guys a new stand and such in the assembly of the wireless TKO. So this is basically just a revision of this stand. Like I said, that was what I had going at the moment, but now I've updated it to have like an inlaid, I don't know what term would be correct here, but this little sleeve fits on there, and I don't know what I called that before. spring clip, something like that. I don't know if that's the appropriate term, but anyway, I wanted to just do another video specifically for this stand so that people have a good, clear understanding of its assembly and purpose for each part. So in the last video I was showing you guys, so you basically just grab on the cord and flatten the wires inside. Obviously, I think it goes without saying, but I think sometimes it still needs to be said. You're going to have to be somewhat gentle. These wires will break if you did something crazy, but just to be quite gentle. You don't want to go like smashing the wire down with something to make it flat or whatever crazy things people think of these days. Alright, so sorry if I just showed some of that off camera. So as I was showing in the other video for the wireless TKO, go back and forth until it kind of pops into there's a 1/4 inch hole behind the slot that the cord can pop into and expand. That way it's less likely to pop out of there. Then close the pin. So now you got the cord retaining pin. Then you can shove this in. You gotta be careful not to bend up your coil. That would not be fun. A brand new coil, you bend it up. But yeah, it's pretty easy. And then you go to about there. Make sure that's looks about right. And then this little spring clip thingy, whatever I'm going to call it, I don't know. So you put one side on and then kind of, pull it over. Push it down till it's seated in there. There you go. So I did that so that so the coil as you're using the TKO doesn't just lift up out of there. There we have it. The wireless TKO on the wireless TKO stand. I'll have these up for sale. Just printed version for now. I have to figure out how I can make this out of wood. It won't have the little spring clip for obvious reasons, because the wood itself is not going to be as like there's not going to be as much of an issue there, and I'm probably just going to run a screw from one side to the other to close it, or to clamp it together. But this is what I got for the printed version. I'll have them listed on the website, and hopefully they work out good for you guys. I thought of everything I could for just keeping it simple, but also keeping it nice and tidy and functional. With the cord retaining pin there, basically makes it so that the cord can't just pop out, which kept happening on my first version, which was getting kind of annoying. And then, yeah, that little spring clip inside of that little pocket definitely helps to hold the coil so it doesn't just spin back and forth. That way, as you lift it up, because I was having some issues where it would kind of twist, and then it would be kind of sitting sideways. But yeah, no, this seems to have fixed the little bit of an issue I had with it doing that, and the sturdiness is like, it's definitely centered back here. I purposefully moved the screw so that there's more leverage to counteract the weight of the TKO. But yeah, it's pretty simple, pretty effective, and should be pretty cheap. That way, you guys can have yourself a hot hole set up and not have to be a few $100s into it. You can be, whatever the stand and the base, coil, and whatever device you're using. Hopefully this beautiful wireless TKO. This is mine, obviously. I've already used it for a few days and changed color already. This is not the TKO I was using with it, obviously. But yeah, there we go. Thanks for stopping by, guys. I hope that this stand is useful for you, and I hope that you have a blessed rest of your day. And thank you for watching. Bye now.